1, 2, 3 ingredients is all you need to make these protein cookies. The best part, we're gonna make them multiple ways. So let's jump right into that. Also, did anyone else notice the top button on my last pie recipe? Yeah, I must have been tired.
I'm freaking out, man.
All you need for this one is a small mixing bowl. For our first set of cookies, you'll need a ripe banana. Add that into your bowl and mash it up with a fork. Continue with 20 grams of a good tasting protein powder and 1/4 cup of some powdered peanut butter. That's it. Mix those ingredients together until smooth. From here, take out a baking sheet and line it with some optional parchment paper. Drop your mix onto it, making your cookies however big you want them. The biggest thing for me with these, which is also completely optional, is that I like adding a different texture to the top. Raisins, nuts, sugar-free chocolate chips, M&Ms, chopped up fresh fruit, and so on. Put them into the oven on 350 for around 8 to 12 minutes, depending on how big you made them. Make sure to keep an eye on them. It's better to pull them out too early than too late. Now there's your first 3 ingredient base. Some of my other favorite bases. Number 1, pumpkin cookies. 1/2 cup of pumpkin, 20 grams protein powder, 1/4 teaspoon of ground cinnamon, and 1/2 cup of rolled oats topped with chopped up walnuts. And number 2, chocolate avocado cookies, which are keto friendly. 1 ripe avocado, 20 grams of protein powder, 10 grams of cocoa powder, and 1/4 cup of almond flour topped with sugar-free chocolate chips. Couple tips. Number 1, the flavor protein powder you use should be decided by the other flavors within the recipe. Make sure it complements them and you'll be good to go. Number 2, avocado is a great neutral base. You really can't taste it at all when combined with the other ingredients. Number 3, you can easily mix and match anything in this recipe to make your own combinations. Pumpkin with almond flour, banana with rolled oats, the list goes on. Number 4, if you don't have some of these ingredients, I'll put a list of a bunch of substitutes not used in this video on the proteinchef.co if you want to check them out. Remember, you can also scale the recipe on there too if you want more cookies. With that said, I hope you all like these, and if you don't, then maybe you'll like this giveaway. In the comments below, we're gonna play testing your guesstimating with this avocado. How much do you think it weighs in grams? 1 guess per person, the closest to it wins a shaker or shirt. Thank you for watching. Hit that thumbs up button if you like this quick recipe. Don't forget to check out the proteinchef.co for all your healthy recipe needs. Subscribe if you haven't already so you never miss a recipe. And of course, stay healthy.